Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and we're standing aboard the Aviara 32 Outboard. Today, we're going to go through this boat, check out some of the features, and see why this is one of the coolest models in the Aviara lineup. So let's take a step aboard. The first thing you notice on this boat is the absolutely massive swim platform that you have on the back. Very easy to board either side of the dock, and it'd be nothing without the twin 300 horsepower joystick V8s on the back. Beautiful configuration. The transom is absolutely beautiful, but great sun pad, Sunday layout. All of the seats are completely customizable to create this nice bench layout. A total of 6 people on the back of this boat. Fold it back down. Bench goes in, and just a comfortable lounger and daybed. Absolutely fantastic. As we take a step through the walkthrough, you notice how expansive the cockpit is. Compare this to any other 32-foot boat on the market, and you're going to feel the difference here in the cockpit of the boat. Comfortably at least 15 people on board, and cup holders absolutely everywhere. Induction chargers, very, very nice. The simplicity of the boat is partially what attracts our clients to the boat. So not a lot of stitches, not a lot of seams, but that simplicity sometimes can be great for just sustaining the life of the vessel. Let's take a step to the helm. A massive Buddy Helm companion chair right here. Beautiful display with Simrad electronics. An additional display here to the port side for all of your lighting and customizing all of your day experience. Console here for your VHF, joystick piloting at the helm, making this boat seamless to get to the dock, induction charger, and also automatic trim tabs at the helm. One of the best features of the boat is the stand-up head. I'm 5'9", I can easily stand up down here. It does have a sink as well as basin, plenty of room for storage. And it's just a fantastic layout, something different on a 32-foot vessel. Again, notice the lines on this boat and how deep this is right here, really protecting everyone inside. You feel you're really down in the boat and comfortable even on some of the worst conditions on the water. Filler cushion here to the bow, and again, just really deep, very, very comfortable. Companion seating, 1, 2, 3, 4 people up in the front of the boat. Customized grill plates from this manufacturer, sister of Mastercraft. And really just what a beautiful layout. To the front, we have automatic anchor windlass. You also have a remote at the helm as well, so you can command that either way that you want to look at it. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the Aviara 32 Outboard. And for more information, call us or check us out at MarineMax.com.